Hi, welcome. This is Mrs. M, and thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe below so you can receive all the latest juicy cleaning business industry news. So, the question I have for you is, what did you do to actually grow your cleaning business today? If you're not growing your business, then you are standing in the same place. You're not moving. So, what is one of the main things, action items that you can take today to scale your business? The number one thing you can do is make sure that you have a website, a presence online. The number one way that so many current customers are finding their cleaning companies are through an online presence. So, website today, tomorrow, make sure you start some type of social media. And then I would say the very next day, you want to start a newsletter. So today, check out your website presence. Make sure that you have a website presence. You're doing your search engine. You're putting in all the keywords, phrases. Do a little research. What are your competitors doing in your local area? The next thing you want to do is make sure you have at least 2 social media presence that you can be found. There's nothing wrong with doing organic growth. That means that you're naturally bringing customers, potential customers, to your website or to your social media. And then there's nothing wrong with doing paid ads. Those are great. Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, all of those are great for bringing in business. And the last thing you want to do is start to get email addresses so that you can email potential customers. If you're interested in how to do all of this, then make sure you join me for our upcoming webinar. I am so excited to teach the 6-figure cleaning business webinar. It's actually 6-figure cleaning business from scratch. The actual formula that I use to scale my business currently from 0 to 6 figures. I actually had a cleaning business years ago and grew it to a multi-million-dollar level. Then I started dabbing into other things like teaching. And I wanted to challenge myself to see if I could actually scale a business in this current environment to 6 figures. And guess what? I was able to do that. I was able to scale the business using current automation, having a system to know when to hire the right people, doing the bidding. All of that I was able to do in this current environment. So if you're interested in learning how to go step by step on scaling a business, building a 6-figure cleaning business from scratch, then make sure you click to register below for my upcoming webinar. Then I'm so excited that I've got a secret for what you're going to learn in addition to the information from the formula that I use, which is my escape formula. So from the webinar, you're going to actually get a bonus on some great upcoming information on even furthering your steps on growing or starting and building your 6-figure cleaning business. So until then, take care and be safe.